I love water lilies because they're so vibrant. They have amazing patterns and movement, and they just feel like they're dancing across the surface of the water. In this course, I'm sharing my personal tools and techniques for building up layers of vibrant color and texture with acrylic paints. We walk step by step through 2 full paintings, and all along the way, I share how to move from those exciting beginning strokes through the messy middle to a finished piece that feels confident and uniquely yours. Water lilies hold so much beauty and inspiration. I hope that you catch that excitement and just fall in love with these beautiful flowers.